exists a mysterious force that binds the world together, elemental spirits. These elusive beings are said to embody the very essence of nature itself, from the fierce and fiery dragons that dance in the flames to the gentle, water spirits, and beneath the surface of lakes, earth spirits ground us with their silent strengths, shaping mountains. Air spirits carry our hopes and dreams on us. Throughout history revered these spirits, believing they hold the power to influence the world around us. Some say they are guardians of others see them always lurking just beyond our perception, whether real. They remind us of the profound connection we share with the natural, the unseen forces that shape our destiny. As we walk through forests, cross rivers, or gaze at the sky, are reminded that these elemental spirits are our awareness of our they are the silent, fundamental defense, natural order shaping the land with unseen hands. The earth spirits whisper through the roots of the storms beneath us. A sudden gust, it is on a messenger of the air spirits, weaving through the skies. Their presence felt in the restless currents that lift our spirits. Fire spirits flicker in the glow of a campfire. The crackle of lightning illuminating stormy nights. Their energy both destructive and transformative, fueling the bees being echoes of the forces that sculpt the universe. They dance in the shadows of mountains, ripple across their essence into with every breath we take and every step we make. Heartbeat reflected in the dance of flame, wind, water, and earth, a perpetual reminder of the unseen symphony that sustains all. As the currents of the natural world continue their endless dance, the elemental spirits reveal themselves in subtler ways. The fire spirits sometimes manifest as flickering shadows. That, the edge of our vision, a sudden warmth that ignites our inner eruptions and the glowing embers. Reminding us of both. Also, the gentle ripple that caresses a quiet pond. They whisper the rhythmic earth spirits resonate in the strength of ancient mountains and the intricate lattice of roots beneath them, anchoring us sometimes they reveal themselves in the trembling of soil behind an earthquake, or in the subtle shift of a landscape. Their spirits are less present, stirring the air with unseen currents that carry scents and sounds across vast distances. Clouds and dispersing sea. These spirits are not confined to myth, but are woven into the very fabric of our existence. Guardians that shape the world and when the wind whispers, the flames crackle, days let us reminding us that life is a perpetual exchange of energy and harmony. In the quiet hush of dawn, of the eternal cycle. They ignite the passion within us, stirring our innermost desires and fueling the sparks of water spirits ripple through you, tiniest droplets. Flow beneath the surface. Earth spirits remain steadfast. Our feet, they're silent. Strength. Grounding us in the ancient memory of mountains and valleys. They reveal themselves. The subtle tremors that ripple through the soil during seismic shifts or in the deliberate of a sapling breaking through hardened earth. Our spirits stir the atmosphere with a delicate touch, guiding the flight. They are the scent of rain and the whispers of distant storms. Their invisible hands, shaping the very air we breathe. Sometimes they manifest as a sudden gust that lifts us higher, as a whisper that stirs by. These spirits are woven into the very essence of life, their energy flowing through every gust of wind, flicker of flame, ripple of water, and shift of earth. They are the silent custodians of balance, urging us to listen to the subtle symphony of nature that sustains. The unseen forces are always guiding and shaping the world in ways beyond our sight.